Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Ram 1500 trailer brake controller. First, ensure your trailer is securely hitched and the wiring harness is properly connected. The integrated controller automatically detects a connected trailer. You can then access its settings through your truck's infotainment system or dedicated buttons to begin the setup process. This ensures your trailer brakes are ready for safe operation. Next, adjust the gain using the plus and minus buttons. Gain controls how aggressively your trailer brakes respond. A good starting point is around 5.0 for a medium-weight trailer. Test this setting in a safe, flat area at about 20 to 25 miles per hour. If the trailer brakes lock up, reduce the gain. If braking is too slow, increase it. This fine-tuning ensures smooth, controlled stops. Your Ram 1500 controller also features a manual override, typically 2 sliding paddles. Pressing these engages the trailer brakes independently, useful for correcting minor trailer sway or slowing on inclines. If you encounter issues like a trailer disconnected message, first check all wiring connections for corrosion or looseness. Often, a secure and clean 7-pin plug resolves many common problems. For long-term reliability, regularly inspect your trailer's brake components for wear and tear. This includes checking brake pads, drums, and wiring. If you experience persistent issues or complex electrical problems, consider a professional inspection. Remember, proper maintenance is key to safe towing. Also, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.